Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be going through the installation process of the film screen protector from Olixar on the iPhone SE. When the screen protector is attached, I will be giving an honest review of what I think of the final product post-application. This form of protecting your phone's display is extremely cost-friendly, as you not only get one protector, but two. So if in the unfortunate event the protector was to get damaged, you have the second one to provide immediate protection to the precious display of your phone. Before applying the screen protector, I would suggest turning your phone off, as you don't want the screen to keep activating when you are applying the film to your display. When you receive the film protector, you will also get a microfiber cloth, guide stickers, dust remover, and an application card. These are all the tools you will need to install the film. To get things started, we are going to clean the display. To do so, take the wet wipe and wipe the screen thoroughly to eliminate any dirt or grease. Now, use the microfiber cloth to remove any liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. To complete the cleaning phase, take the dust removal sticker and repeatedly dab your screen to get rid of any lingering dust. Your phone screen will now be looking immaculate. It is time to turn our attention to applying the film protection. Firstly, put a guide sticker on both ends of the protector. With this done, you can now remove tab 1, which is labelled back. Avoid touching the glue side, as you do not want any fingerprints visible on this part. We can now lower the film onto your phone's display. Ensure you carefully align the cutout areas to the correct parts of the device. When you are happy with the way the protector is situated, press gently into the middle of the screen. Do not worry if you see that bubbles have formed, as these can be easily removed by using the application card. Simply push through the bubbles from the centre outwards, so the air can leave through the edging of the film. When all of the bubbles have been removed, firmly wipe the edges of the protector to ensure they do not lift. And there you are, the protector is securely fitted to the display of the new iPhone SE. As you can see, the film is barely visible on the display. With some glass protectors, they usually elevate quite drastically from the screen of your phone, which may look visually unpleasing, though by using a film protector they fit seamlessly onto your display and doesn't disrupt the original look of the phone. I have found no implications when attaching cases to the phone, allowing you to use your favourite cover to ensure your device receives all-round protection to battle the obstacles of everyday use. I can use the phone as like before. The film has not affected the touch sensitivity of the iPhone SE, so I can continue to watch and scroll through my phone's content effortlessly. By having this protector attached to your phone, you are preventing any chance of permanent scratches happening to your display, which would hinder the way in which you view your phone. Overall, the application process may be a little bit fiddly, as you are applying an ultra-thin film protector, but if completed with patience, the result is definitely worth it. I think this protector offers a good level of protection for everyday use, though if you are looking for something a little bit more robust, glass protection would be more ideal for you. But when using a film protector, you are able to provide your display with protection that will go unnoticed. I hope this video has been of some help to you. If you face any problems when applying the screen protector, please let me know in the comments below. To purchase Olixar's film protector, check out the link in the description and comments. For more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.